Is this you? Always having difficulty doing the most simple of tasks? Well, then you're in luck. Now, introducing the Woodwork Multi-tool. The Woodwork Multi-tool holds drinks perfectly while in coaster mode. Throw it back and forth with a friend for a quick game of catch. Opening boxes will be a breeze because our Woodwork Multi-tool can do just that. Having trouble fishing there, buddy? Well, I have a surprise for you. Just check in your pocket. Yes, that's right. It's the Woodwork Multi-tool. Give her a throw. You'll be surprised. Well, don't wait for the fish. Let the fish wait for you. Good work there, Daniel. You remember that shirt from earlier, right? Wow, those stains look pretty bad. Well, let's just see what happens when we use the Woodwork Multi-tool. To remove the stains, just add the Woodwork Multi-tool and churn for around 5 minutes. Just as expected, stains are gone. Thank you, Woodwork Multi-tool. Such a shame. Or is it? Turn the Woodwork Multi-tool to Jesus Christ mode and he will be resurrected instantly. Thanks, Woodwork Multi-tool. And just to top off all the amazing things the Woodwork Multi-tool can do, it can open up a void to hell. Buy now for only 9 payments of $19.99 plus shipping and handling. If you call now, we'll throw in another for free.
The Woodwork Multi-tool has changed my life. Like, just completely, my guys. And I would never be the same today without it. I would totally recommend it, y'all.
I endorse the Woodwork Multi-tool. It works great.
It's amazing.
Now that people have gotten to know the Woodwork Multi-tool, let's see what they have to say.
I attempted to use the woodworking multi-tool as a knife, but it gave me splinters in my right hand, so I tried playing catch with it and it did the same thing. I definitely don't recommend buying this product.
What are your views on this product?
Whoever these people are selling this garbage are huge scumbags and scammers. Don't buy this trash.
What are your thoughts on the Woodwork Multi-tool?
I tried stabbing my sister with Woodwork Multi-tool and resurrecting her, but only the first part worked.